to show you how to make a cheeseburger. Drop the bun, heel, and crown. You're going to wrap the buns back up so it won't dry out. While we're waiting for the bun to come out, go ahead and get my wrapper in place. Okay, here we go. The heel go towards the HLC. Do one mustard, one ketchup in the center, one pickle, one slice of cheese. Okay? Then we're going to put our meat on. The onions go towards the heel as well. Alright. Not too much pressure when you wrap it because you don't want to switch it. So now we're going to open it up so to see our finished product. Perfect.